In 1998, I had the rare opportunity to study with a master iconographer from Russia. I was fascinated by the materials, the gold leaf and pigments made from ground up stones and the images of angels. And the size was just right because I was without a studio and I knew I could work small. So I studied with him for about 6 months until I became fairly comfortable with the process. And at the same time, I started thinking that I felt limited by the canon of images which were focused on human beings, and nature was relegated to the backdrop of the human divine drama. And so I started to think about a new icon that would feature the earth. Being a student of ecology, cosmology, and evolution, I realized that humans are derivative of the earth. So I conceived of an icon of the earth as it's seen from space in its wholeness. I did that in 1999, and that was entitled The Earthly Paradise Icon of the Third Millennium. And soon thereafter, I conceived of an icon of a honeybee in 2016. And that grew out of my awareness of the species extinction crisis. And so that was my first icon of the series, and it's grown to 15 now. I have, I would say that what compels me to do these particular ones that you see in this exhibition is trying to keep a balance of fish, mammals, birds, reptiles, invertebrates, and insects. But as you can see, there are a few more mammals than some of the other species. Oh, I forgot amphibians. And that's because their plight is in the news more often than some of the other species. But it turns out that plants are actually more endangered than any other animal. And so, for instance, the pangolin is the last piece in this series so far. I chose to do because of the news that it's being poached almost to extinction because of magical powers that are attributed to its scales. Just like you have magical powers associated with the rhino horns, which have actually driven 2 species of rhinos extinct.